Do you think you can spot talent straight away?
I think you need both in the boxing. You need both. You need talent, but talent can get beaten by a hard work. Hard work is a major, and hard work can be done by having a big heart.
Can you overtrain?
You can overtrain, of course. Yeah, it's not good though. Overtraining causes an injury. Boxing, there's you can find talent. You can see a few talent. You can spot on a talent straight away. You can say, "Well, this guy's got talent," or this guy, and then you could see a talent differently. And then you can see a heart differently. So I don't know if the coach maybe see a heart in me. I just went because there wasn't skill, nothing. There was no skill from me. There was no talent, but I just knew how to punch up. And then I think maybe see the heart, and because I've seen great talents. I've seen great talents, and the pro, they haven't done much. And the amateurs, they've done a lot. Like I've seen them get loads of titles. The amateurs, but when they went to the pro, it's a whole different. They haven't achieved much to their full potential.
You're a continental champion in the ring. There's something firing you. It's almost like you're running away from something else to go that side.
Yeah. No, I mean, the family is there and it's improving. The empire is building. I want to leave. I've always, as a young kid, I always believed I'm here for a purpose to leave. I want to leave my name historically.
Legacy.
I want to leave a legacy here, and the legacy is to become the first Afghan British world champion, first Afghan to ever become a world champion. And Afghanistan's trying anything, because it's my motherland. Don't get me wrong, I love Britain. Britain's my country.
Yes, of course.
I die for this country. It's given me all the opportunity. I'm so grateful for it. But Afghanistan is my mother, and it's a country. It's a beautiful cultural country. But I haven't been there since I've left there, and I want to able to give something for the name of my dad, because then Kaisy is my name, but I want Khademi to be remembered, and that's the purpose for me.
So somebody's like a little bit lost right now. Life hasn't given them the best cards. What would you say boxing can do for somebody?
Well, boxing can take that aggression off him, can discipline him. The good thing about boxing is it teaches you that you're not the strongest. There's always someone stronger there than you. It disciplines you, humbles you. Yeah, it just wisen you up a bit, It gives you another source of knowledge and logic. A lot of people are missing logic nowadays, but logic is very important, and then it just kind of opens up certain things to you as a human being, certain logics that, what, I'm a human, got two hands, but there's others out there. I'm not the strongest, I'm just a normal guy, and it kind of humbles you down that you're not, when I went to the gym, as I progress, I see guys are very good. You're smaller than me, bigger than me, younger than me, and it was so different. So he teaches you many things. Yeah, but yeah, definitely helps. I would recommend anyone that's going through hard in life. I think boxing is the best. Takes so much anger and stress off you. Incredible. The right, nutritionist and dietitianist.
So it's not just go for a KFC after.
We go Nando's. Nando's there.
Nando's got plugged.
Nando's on.
If Nando's want to sponsor, here he is.
All the fighters go Nando's. I think it's a slight meat. It's not red meat. It's easy to digest.
Yep, grilled.
Yeah. So it's not oily. It doesn't make you slower.
Okay.
It's good stuff. So,
what sides?
Sides. I have mashed potato, a bit of carbs. You need a bit of carbs too. But
so when you're cutting weight, do you have to cut your carbs?
Yeah, you gotta go. Well, it depends on that week of the fight. You cut carbs a lot. Just before you weigh in, you have to cut.
Because that's why, you see people like Ricky Hatton, as soon as he's ended his career, that's it, ballooned.
Yeah, it's hard. I mean, like I said,
it's a lifestyle.
It's hard when you're in a camp. Obviously, trying to first cut as much as you can to get to what weight you need to fight at. So I'll be fighting at 56, because I know that from 56 to 52. I'm gonna get rid of the water weight. So, and maintaining that 56, you have to cut fizzy drinks and all of that.
And the longer you fight at a weight, do you try to grow into that weight, if that makes sense? So instead of, I've just lost water, now I've made the weight, are you trying to go, well, let me stay at 56 and be muscular as possible in this sort of weight? Is that the goal, or? Well,
the goal is to stay stronger. So what we did, we increased. So as we reach 56, we increase the water weight now. We increase the water level. So we drink a lot of water during the next 2-3 weeks that we got towards the weighing. So we increased the water weight so much, and then we increase, and we try to stay 56 with the water that we're increasing. So we eat less, we'll increase the water to maintain 56. So as soon as we hit the fight week, that's when we start getting rid of the water. So that helps it. That helps you to keep. I started boxing watching. I don't get me wrong. Muhammad Ali is my favorite of all time. Mike Tyson, Sugar Ray Robinson, Sugar.
Yes.
I knew them when I was young. When I was in here, I used to love boxing. I used to watch it, but I never joined boxing club, nothing like that. But I started watching box. I started getting involved into boxing was because of Pacquiao and Floyd.
Okay.
So they were my era when I was like literally 15, 14, and I used
So
to watch
14, 15, you laced your first glove.
Yeah, I laced my first glove.
What made you go into a boxing club?
I used to fight a lot in school, man.
Okay.
Because I don't know, I used to fight. I had good friends and bad friends, and yeah, we just get involved in fighting. I used to get into a lot of trouble, and then.
Well, people were a little bit racist back then as well, no?
Yeah, well, no, not really
No?
racist. No, a bit. The racist. When I came to the country, they were very racist.
Yeah.
Because my primary school was a Catholic school, and there was a lot of kids that was racist because of what happened at that time, 9/11. So people were very different towards Afghanistan. They're like, "Oh, you're a terrorist." That time, yes,